How can you use a formula to find the volume of a rectangular prism? Let's find out. Remember that volume is the number of cubic units, units cubed, needed to pack a solid figure without gaps or overlaps. Find the volume of the rectangular prism if each cubic unit represents 1 cubic foot. What 3 measurements can you use to calculate the volume of a rectangular prism? You can use length, width, and height. What is a cubic foot? A cubic foot is a cube that is 1 foot long, 1 foot wide, and 1 foot high. A formula is a rule that uses symbols to relate 2 or more quantities. If the dimensions of a rectangular prism are given as length L, width W, and height H, then use this formula to find the volume V. Volume equals length times width times height. The factors in the formula can be regrouped using the associative property. How can you use the formula to find the volume of the rectangular prism? The length of the prism is 6 feet. The width is 4 feet. The height is 3 feet. So V equals 72. What unit will be used for the volume?
Select your answer.
Use cubic feet. The volume of the rectangular prism is 72 cubic feet. Now you know how to use a formula to find the volume of a rectangular prism.